Hey everyone, Yashraj here. I hope you are doing great. So today I will be showing you an amazing automation using Make.com and OpenAI and Telegram. Basically, we are doing using the no-code automation tool, which is Make.com. So let me go through the video, how it's work and why we are using this. So for example, if I need to translate my messages or any audio instantly in any languages. So sometimes we have to use the audio or sometimes we have to use the messages to translate the any message into any another language. Okay, so we have issue like, so if you use Google Translate, there is an option to speak, okay, but you don't have any option to upload the audio or just send an audio file there. So we have built an automation tool that can translate my text or audio file into any languages. So here is the workflow here. So we are starting here from the webhook. So webhook is basically used to get the data from the chatbot. So suppose I myself am sending the my text in English and want to translate it in Spanish. It can be done using this workflow. Okay, so I have sent it text. If I have sent the audio, it come out through the webhook. Okay, after coming out from the webhook, we have the router here. So basically, router divides the route of the two conditions. Okay, so if the message is audio, then it will go the upper module of the OpenAI and use the model Whisper. And if the data is text form, it will goes to the lower module, which is OpenAI, which is a chat model we are using here. Basically, translate the message into different language, and the upper one is we are using the Whisper. So basically, translate the audio file into any another language you want. Okay, and after translating in the different language, we have the Telegram module here at the end at the both sides. So basically, it send the data which is audio file, speech to text, or which is text to text direct to Telegram to the user instantly within just a matter of 5 to 10 seconds. Thank you for watching this video.